Come over the big chainsaw bowl. You don't walk over here. Wow, look at that. It's water in it, just extra fucking clean. Look at that. Nice house. Your boys, you want these dog houses? Search Facebook. I give $10 for this house on Facebook. Motherfucker look good. $10 house, Facebook. Yes, sir. There you go, Big Saw. It's Big Chainsaw. He got the new stock running down his face where he had some scars up there, so we new stocked him up. Yeah, Big Chainsaw. City Boy bread, City Boy corner, times City Boy red lady. Double bread hog stuff. And yes, we will breed him.